Hello, this is Mark McKell, and this is a tutorial on setting up your account as an adjudicator with TTAO or doing the renewal process as well. The first step is not a step for everyone, but you may need this step. If you're a new member, your email has been has been entered into the database. And so all you need to do is you will need to click on Forgot Your Password, even though you haven't forgotten your password. You've never set one up. You'll set up the email address that's associated with your account, and you'll click Reset Password. It says to check your email. If I go over here to my email, and it should magically appear. There it is, TTAO Connect Forgotten Password. Gives you a link. If you click on that link, you will go here. You will need to enter an 8-character password. I'm going to reset my password. The first thing that you'll see is it'll ask you about these renewal statements, and these statements are just really important things that we want our membership to understand for the next contest season. So I'm going to review all of these and agree to them. And if you happen to be a contest manager as well, there will be renewal statements for contest managers. Now you'll get to this screen, which is the payment screen. It'll say one thing here. Yes, I'm interested in leadership opportunities. This is helpful when we're nominating people to our Standards and Practices Committee and to the board. So if you're interested, please click on that. You have two options, a one-year membership or a lifetime membership. $50 is good for that, so we'll enter that. And when you get here, you will check out using PayPal. You can enter a credit card number down here, or if you already have a PayPal account, we are going to pay for it via PayPal. And once you have paid your dues, this is the next section where you're going to mark your unavailability for 2020 for the 4 months where most of the high school contests take place. So these are the dates that you are unavailable. So I'm going to mark the ones that I feel like I will not be there. I will not be able to judge that Thursday, Friday, Saturday, or that Thursday, Friday, Saturday. I am going to press save. Now at any point, you can always come back and make changes to your profile. I'm going to click save. And it's going to move here to my profile. And at this point, I can change my address. I can change the email address if I like. I can also change a picture. You can add a conflict of interest by school if you like as well here. I have none of those. You can also do dietary. It says, congratulations, your profile has been set up. Gmail. You can see that my profile is here. There's no agreements. Everything's changed, but you can see my dates are the same, and I can always go back and change my profile. So that's a really quick tutorial on how to update your profile to renew and or start a new profile. So I hope that was helpful, and thank you so much for watching.